Networking misconceptions. Here are 4 misconceptions about networking. 1. Networking is just for extroverts. If networking was all about collecting names and business cards, perhaps individuals who identify as an extrovert might have an advantage. However, networking is all about building relationships. As such, the best networkers are not just talkers, but listeners. If you identify as an introvert, you don't need to drive the conversation, but use your inherent strengths, including your active listening skills, to listen and ask insightful questions. In doing so, this will leave a strong impression as people will feel listened to and that you are interested in getting to know them. 2. I do not need to maintain the relationship. Relationships will wither if you do not spend the time to nurture them. Maintain your network by meaningfully engaging your connections. These contacts may not be frequent, but you can make sure they are regular. Remember that the quality of these relationships matter a lot more than their quantity. 3. I can wait until I need a job. Many students put off networking until they need a job, but building relationships, particularly ones that could get you a job lead or even an offer, takes time. Get into the good habit of developing and maintaining your networking now. It is never too early or too late to start. Peer connections are meaningless. Some people think that networking is only effective if you are connecting with high-level decision makers of an organization, so they overlook the power of peer networking. Remember that you never know what your peers will become one day or who they know. Be open-minded and courteous to your peers. Find ways to help each other. 5. I should only contact high-level decision makers. Don't just focus on the high-level employees like directors and managers, but connect with people who are in the job you want. Keep in mind, networking is not bothering, pestering, or using people, being pushy or aggressive, a contest and one-sided, selfish, or all about you. Rather, it is a mutual exchange of information, advice, and support, process of developing and nurturing genuine personal and professional contacts, being your authentic, unique self. For more information or further tips and tricks, visit us at the Career and Co-op Center. Feel free to attend one of our many workshops or even make a one-to-one appointment with our career educators.